Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a big question that has sparked plenty of discussion among Harry Potter fans. Is Albus Dumbledore gay? The wise, powerful, and beloved headmaster of Hogwarts has always been a mystery. But let's break down what we really know. Albus Dumbledore is one of the most important characters in the Harry Potter series. He's the headmaster of Hogwarts, mentor to Harry, and one of the greatest wizards of all time. Known for his calm wisdom, compassion, and unmatched magical ability, Dumbledore plays a key role in the battle against Lord Voldemort and is one of the franchise's most iconic figures. The conversation about Dumbledore's sexuality began in 2007, not from the books, but from J.K. Rowling herself. During a Q&A session with fans, Rowling revealed that she always thought of Dumbledore as gay. According to her, he fell deeply in love with another wizard, Gellert Grindelwald, when they were both young. Their friendship and eventual conflict became one of the most important emotional backstories in the series. In the original Harry Potter films, Dumbledore's sexuality was never directly mentioned. However, the Fantastic Beasts prequel movies, especially The Crimes of Grindelwald and The Secrets of Dumbledore, explored that part of his past more openly. The films suggest that Dumbledore and Grindelwald shared a close romantic bond that later turned into a painful rivalry when their moral paths diverged. So, is Dumbledore gay? Yes, canonically, Dumbledore is gay. J.K. Rowling confirmed it publicly, and the Fantastic Beasts films further supported it through his emotional connection with Grindelwald. Though not all fans agree on how it was handled, it's now an official part of his character in the Wizarding World story. Dumbledore's story isn't just about being gay, it's about love, loss, and moral strength. His feelings for Grindelwald shaped who he became and added depth to his wisdom and compassion. Whether you're a casual fan or a Potterhead for life, Dumbledore's journey reminds us that even the greatest heroes carry complex emotions and pasts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Harry Potter, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more character breakdowns and fan theories.